Presenting a pre-owned 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. 7-star auto sales, where power meets prestige. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, put on your seat belts and meet the 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. This bad boy, powered by a Vortec 5.3L V8 engine, delivers 295 horsepower and 335 feet-pounds of torque. You'll feel like the king of the road. Factory features include power windows, locks, mirrors, and a power driver's seat. No more struggling in the parking lot, just press the button and you're in. The Sand Beige Metallic exterior and neutral interior look cool and even cooler, respectively. With less than 150,000 miles, it's practically brand new. Enjoy 13 mpg in the city and 17 mpg on the highway, perfect for city driving and road trips. This vehicle is in excellent condition with a clean Carfax report. No skeletons in the closet here, unless you count that coffee spill, but who hasn't done that? The 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT is perfect for anyone who wants to feel like a superhero while driving. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our dealership and take this baby for a spin. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.